Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Fabfitfun subscription box for spring 2021. So let's begin. Okay, so when you open your box, you do get ads in there, like this. And you got stickers. Cute. And you do get this quarterly magazine as well from Fabfitfun that talks about the products inside, what they retail for, how you can use them, some coupons, just articles and stuff like that. So let's begin. So the first item I see on top is this Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. Now this was not a choice. Fabfitfun chose this for me. Okay, because I know if you're annual, you get to pick 5 items, and if you're seasonal, you get to pick 3. So it's not one of those. So this is what it looks like. And let's read in the magazine what it retails for. So this retails for $38. Okay. The next item here is also an item that was chosen by Fabfitfun for me. I did not choose this, so these are makeup wipes basically. They're reusable, so you don't have to waste. That's the point of not wasting like makeup wipes that you throw away, but you can reuse these. And these are the Sai Reusable Beauty Rounds, and they retail for $15. Okay. The next item here was a choice item. It's by Summer and Rose. And let's see. It is the Rose Tweezer with pouch set. And it retails for $20. So let's see. You know what? It's just easier this way. Sometimes. Oh no, please work. Uh-oh. Just 1 second. Okay, I got it open, but I did lose one of my press-on nails. Okay, so these are tweezers, which help. You can use it not just as tweezers, but to put on press-on nails as well. Okay, and it comes with this pouch. It's cute. Yes, and this retails for $20. So, awesome. Okay. The next item was again a choice. These are Dark and Ives hair scarf bundle. It retails for $30, so there's 2 of them in there. Let's see. Hair scarf sets. So it can be used as a scarf around your neck, on your bag, in your hair, on your wrist, as a bandana. Looks like there's so many ways you can use this. That's cool. Okay. And there's 2 of them. There's this cream color. Okay. So you can maybe roll it up like that. See? Like roll it up. And then tie it around your hair or something. Or whatever you want to use it for. It's very versatile, I guess. And this is a pink one. I actually like this one. It's so cute. I just don't really use scarves a lot, but there's so many ways you can use them. So yeah, probably do something like this. And you can use it as a mask too, see? Tie it up. I've seen people do that too. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's see what other items we have. Okay, let's put this back. The next item, oops, let's see, is this Our Place Lunchbox. So it looks like it's a bento box, and it was a choice item, so I did choose it. And it retails for $35, and it comes with utensils. I actually like bento boxes. They're so cute. So if you like bento boxes, you'll love this. It's just a different brand, I believe, but it's the same concept. Oh, that should come out first, it looks like. Okay. Let's see what is inside. Oh, wow, I love this top. It's unique. It's not on the bento boxes. Bento is more plastic. The material is different. Is this ceramic? I don't know. I know it's BPA free, dishwasher, microwave, fridge, and freezer safe. It uses plant-based fiber. Interesting. Let's see. I wonder what it's made out of. Interesting. Okay, let's just open it. This can be used to hold it in place. Oops. Okay. Okay, I love this. The bento box does not come with chopsticks, but this does. I love it. That is so cute. And it comes with a fork, a spoon, and a knife as well. So let's open that. Or maybe we have to let the air out first. Let's see. Please open. Okay, got it open. It's a little airtight. Okay. So, there's two compartments in here. This is the bigger bottom bowl, and this is the smaller top one. So, it's great that it's collapsible. So this is what you do. You put this there, and you put the second container on top, and then you close it like so. Okay, and so that's why there's two layers, but it's collapsible. And then use this to make sure everything is held in place so stuff doesn't spill. That is so cute. I love this. I think this is my favorite item so far. Okay, let's move on. Okay, the next item was again chosen by Fabfitfun and not me. It is this drinking sippy cup. Let's read more about it. Let's see. It is the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup. It retails for $20. I think it's really cute. I love the cuteness of this. If it's too childish for you though, but you can always gift it to a child. But I would love to drink out of this. This is so cute. You don't have to be a child to enjoy fun things either. So I think it's really cute. I think everyone should have some fun at any age. That's what keeps us young. Okay, let's move on to the last item in the box, which I am excited about as well, actually. I'm really excited about this because this is the Short Stories Lead Indoor Planter, which retails for $60. And True Leaf Market Italian Large Leaf Basil Seeds, which retail for $2.49. And you can grow it indoors in your own kitchen. Actually, it's not the last item. Okay, well, wait, that's the last item. Or, you know what, let's just do this one first. It's a very small. Let's see, that was a choice item, actually. It's the Joy Dravsky Chloe ring, and it's adjustable hexagon-shaped ring, which fits ring sizes 6 to 8, and it retails for $75. So, let's see. This is cute. I love that it's adjustable because we can use it on different fingers. Okay. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like on my hand. You can always like make it your size. That is cute. Okay, let's move on. So these are the basil seeds. I love basil. I use it in almost everything that I cook. So, love that. And this is the lead indoor planter, which I am excited about. Because sometimes, depending on where you live, you might not be able to grow plants year-round outside if it's cold. But you can always do it indoors. So, that is awesome. So, this is the planter. And it comes with directions. I have never used a planter like this. It looks like you plug it in. But that's what it looks like, guys. Well, that's the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be sure to put down a link in the description if you guys are interested in subscribing to get you a discount code. But as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!